Hello everyone, full greetings. Happy 80th Independence Day. As you can see on this great occasion, our school thrives with patriotism, enthusiasm and immense energy. So, with you guys, I'm going to conduct an Independence Day quiz. Let's see how well our students know India. Students, hi everyone. Hello. So, I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? Regarding Independence Day, right? Okay. What is the national motto of India? Yes, that's the correct answer. Okay, to you. What is the national anthem? Yes. Let's first ask questions. Let's start with the first question. Hello, everyone. So, my first question is what is the capital of India? Yes, that's the correct answer. And what is our national anthem? So, we have got our little champ here. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello. Happy Independence Day, everyone! Okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? About Independence Day, okay? Who is the father of the nation? Yes, that's the correct answer. What is our national anthem? Yes, our little champs know a lot about things. Okay, let's ask some questions to our seniors. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello. So I'm going to ask you one question about Independence Day. So who designed the Indian national flag in its present form? Yes, that's the correct answer. Forward, we have also got some students who were in the parade. Hi guys. Hello. How was the experience? Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to ask some question about Independence Day. We're conducting a quiz. Okay, so for you guys, what is the official duration of the national anthem? 52 seconds. Yes, that's the correct answer. And for you, when was the Indian flag adopted? 22 July. Yes, that's the correct answer. Moving forward, we have also got some students here. Hello, everyone. How was the experience at school today? All the things are very well planned, and hopefully there's no rain today, so yes, that was a big threat. Okay, the moving forward, the question which I want to ask you is which act transferred power from British to Indian hands? The Indian Independent Act of 1947. Yes, yes, that's the correct answer. Chatting over here. Hi everyone. Hi. So I'm going to ask you one question. We are conducting a quiz. Okay. So I want to ask you who was the last viceroy of British India? Yes, that's the correct answer. Let's move forward. The students know pretty much about India. So let's ask our teachers also. Good morning, sir. So today we are conducting Independence Day quiz. Would you like to participate? Okay, sir. I want to ask you that which award is announced on the eve of Independence Day? Anyone? Yes, that's the correct answer. Okay, one more question I would like to ask. Which act transferred power from what was the name of the partition plan? Yes, that's the correct answer. But some more teachers chatting here. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Happy Independence Day. Yes, so we are conducting an Independence Day quiz. So I would like to ask you some questions about Independence Day, about India. Okay, I want to ask you that who was the first president of India, independent India? Yes, that's the correct answer. And one more question I would like to ask you. What is the national song of India? Got some NCC cadets standing here. Hello, everyone. Hello. How's the Josh? How's the? Okay, so we are conducting a Independence Day quiz. I just want to ask, any one of you can answer, okay? What is the official duration of the Indian national anthem? That's correct. Okay. Okay. What was the name of the last viceroy of British India? Lord Mountbatten. Yeah, that's correct. Which award is announced on the eve of Independence Day? This is hard. Yeah, it is. I guess Celebrity Award. Yes, that's correct. So, what do you want to say to our audience? Stay enthusiastic and happy Independence Day. And Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you everyone for being a part with me and exploring our school and knowing about or learning more about India. So I would like to conclude my speech and the quiz with our SSC ma'am. She is Miss Trishna ma'am, and this whole plan was her. So big round of applause for her. This was conducted and this was possible only because of her. Thank you, ma'am. Well done. And Jai Hind! Jai Bharat.